Q8021. An aircraft reciprocating engine using hydraulic valve lifters is observed to have no clearance in its valve operating mechanism after the minimum inlet oil and cylinder head temperatures for takeoff have been reached. When can this condition be expected? A. During normal operation. B. When the lifters become deflated. C. As a result of carbon and sludge becoming trapped in the lifter and restricting its motion. The correct answer is A. When a hydraulic valve lifter-equipped engine is running normally and the required minimum oil and cylinder head temperatures have been met for takeoff, there is no clearance in the valve working mechanism. Because they completely eliminate the distance between the rocker arm and the tip of the valve stem, hydraulic valve lifters are employed. The valves operate with less noise and when all of this clearance is gone. Q8022. What tool is generally used to measure the crankshaft rotation in degrees? A. Dial indicator. B. Timing disc. C. Prop protractor. The correct answer is B. A timing disc is a circular disc that is attached to the crankshaft of an engine. It is marked with degrees of rotation and usually has a pointer or index. By using a timing light or other measuring device, the rotation of the crankshaft can be observed and measured accurately in degrees by aligning the timing disc with the appropriate reference point. A dial indicator is a precision measuring tool commonly used for measuring distances or variations in linear movement and is not typically used specifically for measuring crankshaft rotation. A prop protractor, on the other hand, is a tool used to measure the pitch or angle of a propeller blade and is not directly related to measuring crankshaft rotation. Q8023. If an engine with a stroke of 6 inches is operated at 2,000 revolutions per minute, the piston movement within the cylinder will be A. At maximum velocity around TDC. B. Constant during the entire 360 degrees of crankshaft travel. C. At maximum velocity 90 degrees after TDC. The correct answer is C. The piston is stationary at top dead center and bottom dead center. It accelerates after TDC and reaches maximum velocity about 90 degrees after TDC, then slows again as it approaches bottom dead center. Q8024. If the intake valve is opened too early in the cycle of operation of a 4-stroke cycle engine, it may result in A. Improper scavenging of exhaust gases. B. Engine kickback. C. Backfiring into the induction system. The correct answer is C. In a 4-stroke cycle engine, the intake valve opens during the intake stroke to allow the air-fuel mixture to enter the combustion chamber. If the intake valve opens too early, it can cause a backfire, where the combustion of the air-fuel mixture occurs in the intake manifold or intake system rather than inside the combustion chamber. Backfiring into the induction system can lead to several issues, including loss of power, engine misfire, damage to the intake components, and potential safety hazards. It disrupts the normal flow of the air-fuel mixture and can cause erratic engine operation. Q8025. Some cylinder barrels are hardened by A. Nitriding. B. Honing. C. Quenching. The correct answer is A. Nitriding is a surface hardening process used to increase the hardness and durability of the cylinder barrels. In this process, nitrogen is diffused into the surface of the metal, typically steel, forming a hard nitride layer. This nitride layer improves the wear resistance and reduces friction between the piston rings and cylinder walls.